Okay, welcome back. Let's bring in Mike Eppel. I can see you laughing on the side here. What are you laughing about? Good morning.
I'm just seeing something out of the corner of my eye.
Oh, now I want to know. I'm curious.
Very mysterious.
Uh-oh. Tell me out. Tell me on commercial.
Yeah,
okay. maybe it's not morning show friendly. Okay, that's fair. This is massive for the TSX. What record are you following right now?
Four in a row for the TSX. And the composite continues to be the star of the show for 2022, Mel, as we're watching. Most major markets do a recuperation right now from the sell-off in the tech space. But most of the other benchmarks, aside from the TSX, are still underwater for the year. So, fourth uptrend yesterday. We're looking at strong bank stocks. Energy stocks, of course, have been, the standout, let's face it. Price for oil remains elevated this morning, $111 a barrel. Price for gas went up again overnight. And Shopify, we talked about how much Shopify had dropped. Well, over the past 5 days, it's up 29%, and it's still down 47% year to date, which tells you how much the tech space specifically was cratered in the first couple of months of this year. So markets are up, even as bond yields have gone up sharply and interest rates continue to climb, and a little bit of a near-term uptrend here on the major markets.
Mike, let's talk about the price for oil and also now the price for gas.
Yeah, 111, just checking my screen off camera here. And the price for oil has been, moving steadily higher here with this discussion about the European Union now discussing sanctions against Russian energy exports that might come further today with these NATO meetings in Brussels. At the same time, however, the price went up, I think, 5 or 6 cents a liter overnight to almost $1.76 here in the GTA. So, yeah, more expensive to fill up. And it's just, the ongoing, we see these little pullbacks and then it just pops right back higher, Melanie. And I don't see a lot, too fewer people driving.
Well, people still need to get places, right?
Yeah, right. So
maybe just a bit more strategic with their trips.
Perhaps. Maybe that's the same thing when you go grocery shopping or what have you right now.
That's it. Okay. It's being called not a coalition.
Don't call it a coalition.
Don't call it a coalition. Yeah, I know that song. Yeah, okay. So
whatever it's called.
Right? Liberal NDP teaming up. So what's it going to mean? The budget in the spring?
Yeah.
What will this all mean?
Well, we have to get a budget date, and we're expecting that any day now from Finance Minister Chrystia Freeland. The discussion prior to this arrangement between the Liberals and the NDP was that the budget coming up will have about $30 billion of extra revenue to work with because of the resurgence in the energy trade, of all things. And of course, we've seen massive deficits and higher debts over the past couple of years, but big spending is still expected. This arrangement, so to speak, I mean, the NDP wouldn't vote against this upcoming budget, and they probably wouldn't vote against next year's confidence motions either. So it kind of extends things maybe by a year and puts a couple of more programs that the Liberals were already talking about doing, getting more confirmed support for anything, for lack of a better description. A lot can happen in 3 years in politics, let's face it.
A lot can happen in 3 months.
Yeah. Why they actually made this formal arrangement, I have no idea. But
they know, though. They know. All right, Mike.
Do what they do.
As always, a pleasure. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.
Okay. See you.
Thank you.